David, I know some people are complaining that it's cooling down a bit,
Yes.
but this is somewhat average for this time of year, right?
Yeah, you know something, we can deal with this because we do get these cool outbreaks this time of year. You know, we have cold air that's over the northern hemisphere, and it breaks up. And it takes its time, and so we're just getting a piece of that breaking up the cold air breaking up in the northern portions of Canada. And you know, every so often, that's what we get. And we've kind of been seeing that the last couple of weeks. We've been seeing cooler shots moving through the northeast. And this is no different, but this one's a little bit colder than what we've been seeing the past couple of weeks. So the temperatures right now are mostly in the 40s across northern portions of the state. A few 30s peppered up there, Greenville over to Rangeley. But as you get down towards Lewiston, over to Rockland, you're just about 50 degrees, but that cooler air is starting to filter towards the south as that cold front is just about through Sanford and it's moving through Portsmouth. So we'll watch these temperatures dropping into the 40s overnight. So tonight's not going to be too chilly. Pretty much, you know, we're used to this type of stuff this time of year. But tomorrow night, it'll be a lot colder. We'll even see temperatures in the 20s across some of the areas. So you can see the winds are more out of the north as you get towards Augusta and down towards Wiscasset. But once you get down towards southern portions of the state, you're starting to see those barbs moving a little bit towards the west. But that's the frontal boundary right about there. And we'll watch that move through as we go through the course of the night. And this actually depicts it better because I drew that on the map. And there's that cold front that's going to slide through. And then we'll see some drier and colder air moving in tomorrow, but we could still be dealing with a couple of rain showers as we go through the afternoon. So right through Calais, down towards Machias right now, you're seeing a couple of showers, but that's pretty much it. Even at higher elevations across northern portions of the state, you may see some snow showers mixing in with this overnight tonight, even into tomorrow. Yeah, you know, still talking about that white stuff, but I think we're really going to see that few and far between as we get further into this month of May. Overnight tonight, temperatures dropping into the 30s far north, mostly in the 40s as you get down towards the coast and down towards southern portions of the state. And again, there's those clouds that start to develop as we go through the afternoon, and even seeing some white dots over here, and that represents some snow across the higher elevations. A couple of sprinkles, maybe a quick shower, mainly from central portions of the state, down east and north tomorrow afternoon. But I think most of the southern portions of the state stay dry. But wouldn't surprise me if you had a sprinkle here or there. But I think we're just mostly dry tomorrow, and it will be breezy. Temperatures tomorrow night dropping into the 30s far north, into the 40s. So tomorrow evening, if you get baseball or any other outdoor activities, it's going to be chilly. And then by tomorrow night at this time, we're in the 30s. So it will start to really get chilly as we go through Wednesday night. And when you wake up Thursday, high pressure south of New England, though, it's going to move towards the east. Its return flow brings some milder temperatures Thursday. And again on Friday, when we warm up and start to see temperatures back into the 70s. But then by the weekend, we have low pressure developing south of New England. It's going to catch up, this front's going to catch up to it. And there is a little bit of discrepancy in some of the models, but I think we'll see some showers developing late in the day on Saturday and then into Saturday night. And I think everything gets out of here Sunday. So I know there's a big concert down in Gillette Stadium. A lot of people have been waiting for this one. Yeah, that may be a little bit rainy on Saturday night, but I think Friday and Sunday we'll be able to salvage it out. There's those gusts of winds, mostly in the 30s tomorrow. Then they diminish by this time tomorrow night. High temperatures in the 50s tomorrow. 30s and 20s as you head into Wednesday night. Here's what the marine forecast is looking like, and we do have a small craft advisory that goes in effect tonight right through Thursday. We have winds gusting out of the northwest, 15 to 20 knots, gusts to 30, so the seas will be a little bit choppy tomorrow, and then right through Thursday as well. And then we do have some sunshine returning on Thursday. We'll see the warmer temperatures arriving on Friday, and we will be dealing with a little bit of a sea breeze along the coastline. And then on Saturday, more shower activity. We do need the rain. It is getting dry out there. We do have that elevated risk for fire weather down towards the south right now, so we're watching that closely. But we do need some showers here,
right.
Even though we had all that rain last week. But we do need some showers.
Always looking on the bright side,
Absolutely.
David. Thanks.